Hello Gemini, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly predictions from 25th August to 31st August 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Before I start the weekly reading, I'd like to do a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and then release it slowly. Be mindful of the thoughts that you get during the session. Write it down to me in the comment section below and I shall be able to shed some light over it. Take a deep breath. Looking into your weekly energies, Gemini, you've got Queen of Pentacles and Innocence. So, the Queen of Pentacles here indicates that you might be the primary breadwinner of your house. You could be dealing with someone who is the primary breadwinner of their house, and this person could bring a lot of happiness, a lot of joy for you. This person can warm your life just like the sun, and it also comes out to be a wish fulfillment. If you are someone who earns and takes the responsibility of your family, you might get an amazing opportunity to sort of accumulate the wealth that you require. In any case here, you are having a very fruitful week. This is one of the weeks that you'll remember for a long time. On the love front, you've got the Hermit and the Lovers. So what I believe here is you could be having a choice, or you might be in a situation where you don't know what to do about your love situation. You definitely are dealing with someone you have great attraction towards. You have a lot of affinity towards this person, but you want to seek the truth. You want to do some sort of a soul searching. You want to find answers to the questions that you have, and know if this is the connection that you want to invest in. You would also not want to spend a lot of time with your lover because you are searching for some answers within you. On the work front, you've got Three of Wands and the Mind. Okay, so Three of Wands here indicates that there are a few options in front of you. You definitely know that you want something, and you are just exploring things. Also, there's a lot of things that you're planning within the process. There's a lot of ideas that are coming to you. You are bursting with ideas. You might not even be able to sleep a lot, and this is at the end of the day confusing you in terms of what you want to pursue and what you want to leave. Could be a new communication idea, could be a new YouTube channel, could be a podcast, could be anything. But this is something that you will have to work towards, and this is you will have to write the pros and cons of all your ideas and then take a informed decision about it. On the health front, you definitely need to take care of your skeletal systems. Eight of Swords here indicates that there could be some infections, there could be issues with insecurity or social insecurity issues. Whatever it is, that you will have to work through it, and you will have to clean your mind. You will really have to meditate and drink a lot of water this week. Looking at some of the advices that we have for you. First light, beginning a new cycle. Also under the deck, I have Ace of Wands and change. Big changes coming in for you. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now, and go ahead and make the romantic gesture. And an advice, it's up to you. Stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.